Muscles and joints shift, and the heart's rhythm speeds up. Blood rushes through arteries and veins. During pregnancy, every part of the body undergoes significant changes, driven by a range of hormones. These changes start almost immediately after fertilization, when the embryo implants itself in the uterus. Although the embryo has unique DNA, which could potentially be seen as a threat by the mother's immune system, the body doesn't treat it like a foreign invader. Instead, the immune system goes through a complex adjustment to protect both the mother and the fetus. This involves a delicate balance of various immune cells, some of which seem to shield the fetus from other immune attacks. The body also produces a protective mucus plug in the cervix, which acts as a barrier against germs and remains in place until labor begins. As the pregnancy progresses, the uterus expands to accommodate the growing baby. Hormones like progesterone and relaxin signal the muscles to loosen. This relaxation affects the muscles involved in digestion, leading to slower bowel movements and constipation. Additionally, the muscles at the top of the stomach may relax too, allowing stomach acid to move into the esophagus and causing heartburn. Morning sickness, which can occur at any time of day, is partly due to the hormone HCG. As the uterus enlarges, it presses against the diaphragm, the muscle that helps with breathing. This pressure reduces the diaphragm's movement, making it harder to breathe deeply. To adjust, progesterone acts as a respiratory stimulant, increasing the breathing rate so both the mother and baby get enough oxygen despite the reduced lung capacity. This can make the mother feel breathless. The kidneys also work harder during pregnancy, producing more erythropoietin, which boosts red blood cell production. They retain extra water and salt to increase blood volume, which can rise by 50% or more. However, this blood is somewhat diluted because the increase in red blood cells is less than the increase in overall blood volume. Typically, our bodies use iron from food to make blood cells, but during pregnancy, the fetus also needs iron to build its own blood supply, leaving less available for the mother. This causes the heart to pump harder to circulate the increased blood volume through the body and placenta. The heart rate rises, but the changes in blood pressure during a healthy pregnancy are not fully understood. This is crucial since heart and blood pressure issues are linked to some serious pregnancy complications. The expanding uterus can press on veins, causing fluid to accumulate in the legs and feet. If it compresses the large inferior vena cava vein, it might affect blood flow back to the heart, causing a drop in blood pressure and dizziness when standing for too long. Some of these changes start to reverse even before birth. Just before delivery, the fetus moves lower, reducing pressure on the diaphragm and allowing for deeper breaths. During labor, much of the extra fluid in the body is lost when the water breaks. In the weeks following birth, the uterus returns to its normal size. Pregnancy also affects the brain, though these effects are less well understood. Recent research shows changes in brain scans after pregnancy and early parenting, suggesting these adaptations may enhance parenting skills, such as the ability to read facial expressions, since babies can't talk. Historically, pregnancy research has focused more on the fetus rather than the mother, but this is beginning to change. Pregnancy experiences vary greatly, not only within healthy pregnancies but also due to health complications. Ongoing research aims to uncover why these differences occur and develop effective treatments. As we advance our understanding of pregnancy, consulting with a doctor for any specific concerns remains crucial. Exciting new research is helping to unravel the complex biology of pregnancy, offering deeper insights into this extraordinary process.